Mainit-init na chismis. Masaya ka ba sa kanya? Yan ang naging tanong kay Donnie Pangilinan ng mga mosang. Ito nga ang kanyang inamin. Sabi niya, I am grateful to experience her love. Alam mo yon? Ang sarap pala sa puso, yung maramdaman kung gaano niya talaga ako kamahal. She made me feel so cherished na parang ako lang yung pinakamahalaga sa mundo. And she don't just love me. She made me feel seen, appreciated, and valued in ways I never thought possible. Minsan mahirap paniwalaan na ganito pala kasarap ang mahalin. Na may taong kayang iparamdam na you are enough, just you are. I felt a kind of love na hindi ko inakala na posible pala. I am forever thankful for this journey with her, for showing me that I deserve to be loved in a purest way. And I will never forget how special she made me feel because her love changed me. Thank you, Belle.